Okay, how are you? I'm now checking my Ford Focus 2013 model because I'll focus this one so you could see the problem. If you wanna look at that one, there's a indication signs of a coolant leak in this heater core pipe connection. So if you would look back in my other videos, especially the one that's being watched many times, I've already fixed this one before, but that line with 3 clamps. So I think more than 2 years ago I've already fixed that one using a rubber hose, coolant hose. I put it over the pipes so it's not gonna leak. So like what I've said in that video, that fix will last a very long time. But the thing is, the bottom one, the bottom pipe connection, I did not fix it that time because there's no leak, but now see there's some drippings of coolant. So yeah, so to fix that one, first make sure you drain the coolant. Underneath the radiator there's a drain valve, and you have to remove this cover, the panel. This, yeah. So I want to point out that you have this that's holding this panel. It's not hard to remove, but you have to be patient so as not to break the plastic panel. See this locks, that lock, and this one as well. So, and before you pull it, once everything has been pulled, this part here is 1 second, yeah, see that, like a hook. So it's sitting in this corner portion there. So don't just pull it backwards. Okay, so again, remove that one, put it on the side so it's not on the way. And then what I need to do is to replace that seal. I won't be fixing this one with the same fix that I've done before on the top pipe connection. So I just found a replacement seal from eBay. Okay, so I'll just show you. This one I found a seller from UK. So it's just a seal. It comes in 2 pieces O-ring seal. So yeah, so I still have one spare after fixing this one. Also it comes with this plastic clamp. Okay, actually this is the original one from the top pipe connection that I fixed before, but I did not install it back because there's no need, because I used a wire clamp, metal clamp. And after buying this seal, it comes with 2 replacement plastic clamps as well. Okay, so much of the talking. I will just show you how to fix this one. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So what we're gonna do is to remove where is it? This one. Okay, so just like this. We just need to separate the top portion. Okay, it's going to separate like that to remove it. There you go. So I just use this pick. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's really awkward position. Okay. So this is the plastic lamp. It's positioned like this, so you have to undo the bottom. Maybe push it in this side, and then it will separate. Okay, and then yeah, just remove it. Okay, next one. We have to, I just need to wipe it. Okay, so I just need to remove it the other side. So I'm gonna go to the engine bay, and it's gonna be facing the engine. On the firewall, it's going to be on the right side. Yeah, it's going to be on the right side because I have to pull it back a bit to separate this two pipe connection, and I can replace the seal. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm back. So in this engine bay, you can see, okay, let's fix the lighting first and then assemble this one. Okay, maybe you can see that right side, the bottom is the pipe that you guys need to pull a bit. That's fix the light first. Okay, this is what I did. So this is the pipe. I can just pull it a little bit. You don't need to disconnect that lock there. If there's a lock, I don't know how you got this plastic lock. Yeah, no need to disconnect that one. You just need maybe an inch or so. You just need to pull it back, and then I'll show you what it looks like underneath the dash. Let's go there. I'm sorry. Okay, from here. See, just need a maybe an inch or so. I guess that's the right side pipe. Here it's on the left, but on the engine bay it's on the right side. So it's a little bit tight. So push it towards the firewall, and then as you can see that this black portion is a seal. Okay, see, I can separate this one now like that, and this will be the seal. Oops, actually it's a broken seal. There you go. There, that's the one causing the leak. So as I've said, I bought this one from eBay. I got 2 sets of this one. I only need 1 set now because the first one, the one on top, I made a permanent fix already, which it doesn't leak. I think it's more than 3 years already. But this one, I've decided, because I found a spare part O-ring seal that matches on this vehicle. Yeah, just Google it or try to search it on eBay, and you can find this one. Yeah. Oops, fell. Yeah, this one. Okay, so all I need to do now is install it here and then push it back. Okay. Okay, it's very hard to do it in one hand. Okay, so I'll get back to you when it's already in place, and then I'll push it towards here to lock it in place, and then put the plastic lap. I will use a new one. Oh, good. Okay, so have a look on the now it's seen can be seen properly, but yeah, look at the mirror. That is the seal already in place. I just need to put the plastic lamp. Okay, there. Okay, lighting is good there. Yeah. Okay. It's very hard to. Yeah. Okay. I just need to put the clamp on. Back to you again. Okay. Here you go. As you can see, what I did is to put a rubber hose again on the pipe connection, because I'm not happy with the o-ring seal and plastic clamp repair, because I'm having a hard time setting the o-ring to the groove, and then the plastic how you call it, the plastic clamp is not clamping properly, because the joint is not you can't put it together as close as the original position, because of the it's very narrow space, so it's very hard to pull it together, so it's going to connect properly. So what I did is again, you will go back to my part 1 video of this coolant pipe near the heater matrix repair. I put that coolant hose, which is a high temperature rubber hose, and I put a GI wire clamp. So if you would ask, how did I put that GI wire? Excuse me. So I made this tool. I saw this one in the internet, but I don't want to buy this tool because I don't use it too much, very often. So I just made it myself. So I don't know how you call it, but I was able to put it like that. See? So nice. It's not gonna be any more leak there. It's gonna be a permanent fix. As you can see, the first repair that I've done. See, it's still intact, no signs of leak. Okay, and that's it. I hope this one will help you fix your coolant leak in this area.